Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Xfinity Wi-Fi Boost Pod using the Xfinity app. If you're struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals in parts of your home, this simple setup will boost your coverage and give you a smoother internet experience. Let's get started. First, unbox your Xfinity Wi-Fi Boost Pod. Inside, you'll find the pod itself and a quick start guide. Make sure your Xfinity internet service is active and your gateway or modem is online before beginning setup. Next, take your smartphone and head over to the App Store or Google Play. Search for the Xfinity app, download it, and install it to begin the setup process smoothly. After the installation is complete, launch the Xfinity app on your smartphone. You'll be prompted to sign in, enter your Xfinity ID and password to access your account and begin the Wi-Fi Boost Pod setup process. Now, plug your Wi-Fi Boost Pod into a power outlet about halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. The LED light will blink white, indicating it's ready to connect. Open the Xfinity app and tap on the Account tab at the bottom. Now select Devices, then tap on Activate Xfi Pod or look for the prompt that says Add a device. The app will automatically search for nearby pods. Once your pod is detected, the app will guide you through the pairing process. After it connects, you'll be prompted to name the pod. Use a location name like kitchen, bedroom, or office, whatever helps you remember where it's placed. For best performance, don't plug the pod behind large furniture or inside cabinets. Make sure it's in an open space, ideally midway between your router and the dead zone you're trying to fix. If you face any issues or need assistance, our dedicated support team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out at 1-323-507-3713 for expert guidance and troubleshooting. And that's it. Your Xfinity Wi-Fi Boost Pod is now set up and ready to improve your home's Wi-Fi coverage. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tech tutorials.